If you're in the heat treating industry, you know what your single biggest challenge is. It's not the tech, it's not the materials, it's people. It's finding good talent. That's exactly why we're going to break down MTI's Jobs of Tomorrow program. It's a strategic answer, really, built to help you win that talent and secure your company's future. So, let's dive in. First things first, we have to get a handle on the landscape we're all operating in. I mean, the entire industry isn't just going through another hiring cycle or some kind of temporary shortage. No, we are standing at a critical inflection point, and the old ways of doing things, well, they just won't work anymore. And look, this isn't some far-off problem we can just kick down the road. This is happening right now. It's hitting shop floors and boardrooms as we speak, and it absolutely demands a new way of thinking. So what does this inflection point actually look like on the ground? Well, you're probably living it. It's kind of a perfect storm, right? First off, you've got this huge wave of retirements, which means decades of knowledge are literally walking out the door. Second, the pool of skilled labor to replace them, it's shrinking. And third, and this might be the most important piece of the puzzle, the younger generation is walking in the door asking completely different questions about what a job should be. Let's really zero in on that last point, because honestly, it changes the entire game. This isn't just some passing trend. It's a sign of a massive power shift in the labor market. This right here, this is the question. It's simple, it's direct, and it is incredibly powerful. Why should I work here? And here's the tough pill to swallow. The old answers we used to give, a steady paycheck, a stable job, they just don't cut it anymore. That's just the price of entry now, not the reason someone chooses you. What's so interesting about this is how it really nails the strategic shift you have to make. The old way was just transactional. We've got an open spot. Do you have the skills? But the new imperative, it's all about vision. It's about communicating a future, showing someone a clear path, and answering that why before they even have to ask. And that is precisely where MTI's Jobs of Tomorrow comes into play. Now, this isn't just another hiring tool or some slick marketing campaign. It's a completely new framework, like a new operating system built specifically for this modern challenge. So the most important part is right here in the definition. The key word you need to remember is career creation. The whole program is designed to get us to stop thinking about filling jobs and start thinking about building careers. It completely reframes the conversation. And this slide just shows you how powerful that reframing is in the real world. Just look at the language. You stop offering a job on the shop floor, and instead, you start talking about a clear pathway into advanced manufacturing, a gateway to a career in engineering, or a future in operations and leadership. It might be the same role, but it's a completely different message and a much, much more compelling one. Okay, so the idea is powerful, for sure, but the big question is always about execution, right? I mean, how do you actually put this into practice when you're busy running a business? Well, this is where the program brings immediate practical value to MTI members. Let's see how. This is the key. No single company should have to deal with the huge cost and time it would take to create this kind of professional content. Through MTI, all the heavy lifting is already done. It's a ready-made, plug-and-play solution just waiting for you. And the process honestly couldn't be simpler. First, you get access to a full library of professional assets. Second, you brand them with your company's logo, so they look like your own. Third, you get them out there where they'll have the biggest impact, at local schools, career fairs, online. And the result? You start attracting the kind of talent that sees a real future with you. And just look at what you get to work with. These aren't just some boring flyers. We're talking professionally produced videos that make your facility look state-of-the-art. We're talking about content specifically designed to make your plant tours engaging. And this is so critical. The messaging is already dialed into what Gen Z and millennials care about. They want to know their work has purpose, they want to see a path for growth, and they want to work with modern technology. This program speaks their language. Okay, let's zoom out for a second, because it's so important to understand that this is not just a tool for your HR department. This is a core piece of your entire business strategy. This is a statement that every single leader, every executive really needs to let sink in. Failing to get the right talent isn't just a hiring headache. It's a direct threat to your operations, your ability to grow, and really your long-term survival. When you see it as a strategic risk, you start looking for a strategic solution. And that's why Jobs of Tomorrow was built to be the front door to a much bigger MTI ecosystem. Think about the flow here. First, you attract great talent using the Jobs of Tomorrow framework. Then you develop their skills with the MTI Online Academy. After that, you advance your best people with leadership programs. And all the while, you plan for what's next using MTI's economic forecasts. See? It's a complete, integrated system for managing your talent. So the real payoff here is that this whole ecosystem creates a sustainable talent pipeline. This isn't about a temporary fix to fill a couple of open jobs. It's a holistic strategy designed to build your team for the long haul, which means less turnover and more leaders grown from within. And the impact doesn't just stop at your company's front door. It actually goes much, much further, because what we're really talking about is the collective power of a shared investment. Just think about that for a second. Every single time one MTI member uses these tools to successfully show the value of a career in heat treating, it improves the perception of the entire industry. A rising tide really does lift all boats, and it makes it easier for every single one of us to attract great people. And this is how you get a real competitive edge. Because suddenly, you're not just competing against the manufacturer down the street. This framework gives you the tools to compete and to win against the big tech companies, the logistics giants, and all the service industries fighting for that same talent pool. You finally have a compelling story to win over not just the candidates, but the people who influence them the most, their parents, their teachers, and their mentors. This quote from the source material just sums it all up perfectly. This isn't a band-aid for today's problems. It's a durable, forward-thinking strategy that's built to prepare your business for the realities of tomorrow. So we'll end with that question. It's the one every business leader in this industry really needs to be asking. When you look at your own company, is your talent strategy truly built to handle the challenges, not just of today, but of the entire decade to come?